And it's all through the vision of this man, my friend, Bill Free. Hi, Bill.
Mm, thank you. Namaste. Good to be with you. Thank you, Cindy, for inviting me here. And yeah, this is a vision that has come true uh, just very quickly came into fruition from just a download that came as soon as it came right after Trump shut off the flights from Europe to the US. And the next morning, I woke up and I went, oh my God, we need to have a conference so that we can help people, so that we can have a mechanism, a restart. And then a new beginning came in, that we would have a conference called a new beginning, so that when we're on the downside of this pandemic, so that we're on the the, the restart sort of a experience, and we would have a new beginning reset with ideas and content and pointing from teachers that were really and from different traditions that will that help point the way for beings that have just been, the wheels came off the wagon. And there many, I mean, it's clearly it's this unprecedented phenomenon around the world like we've never seen before. And even if you go out there right now, it's not even the COVID that's the problem. It's the fallout from the COVID uh, uh, pause and stoppage with mostly businesses. I think businesses, we haven't even seen what will result from the many businesses that will likely stop opening, because when you have this long of a pause period for businesses, people are going to start looking for something else to do. If you have employees that are working for you, or if you're a business owner and you're not able to pay your rent, you got to go to plan B or C or something. So this idea came timely for this moment, where we can have, I feel that the strongest teacher that we can have in this time is our internal teacher, so that we really navigate this new experience, this paradigm change that we're looking at in harmony with divine flow, so that we don't step on landmines along the way. We can really navigate in a way that is free flowing, and still, if you can navigate your life from the center of peace and certainty, and just having a direct path without obstacles to bar your way, it'll be a lot better experience for you. And I feel that this conference is an answer to that for so many beings that this will be helpful for.